Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can get Microsoft Authenticator QR code, so let's dive in. So first you have to open your browser, and on your browser you have to search for account.microsoft.com, and then it's going to bring you to this dashboard. On this dashboard you have to scroll down until you find this option that says security and click it. And now you have to click security dashboard. And it's going to open the security dashboard for you after you wait for a while, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page you have to click this option that says manage how I sign in. Now you have to scroll down, and here you'll find this option that says two-step verification, and click turn on. Under the additional security, now you have to click next over here, and then you have to click an app over here in the drop down menu, and then click get it now. Now it's going to open up this page for you, and you have to click next, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you go. This is your QR code. You can now open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone, and you can sign in this QR code, and you can just sign into your account, and that's how you do it.